Open Canva, then click on plus, click on dimensions, and change it to 2560 into 1440. Then change the color to red and import any PNG you wanted from image section. Now click plus and go to text, click add and change it to how to make. Increase the size and go to fonts and select which font you want. Then go to spacing and decrease height. Now duplicate the text and change it to thumbnail. Change it to white and import any image from gallery and change it to black and set it behind the thumbnail. After setting, set it behind the PNG, same with the thumbnail text too. Now again add any image, change it to white and place it behind the PNG for extra design, then save it to highest settings.